Hi, are you an education entrepreneur who runs a microschool, a homeschool co-op, or a non-traditional education program? If you are, we have two great events coming up this month that we would love to tell you about. The first one is a statewide open house, and that is to get more families to know about your program. You host the open house, we tell the families about it. The second one is our Educator and Founder Dinner for 10. We are hoping to do 10 dinners across the state. The idea is to just get together with food and fun. We would just love to have you come and join us for that. We want more families to know about all of these creative options that you are doing. I'm Candace Leyenbauer. I am the founder of Microschool Florida. I am a mom to 6 amazing kids, and I've homeschooled for over 20 years with my husband, Bear. We also started a microschool 7 years ago, and I just love telling everybody about school choice. There are more options out there, and families don't need to feel stuck. They can feel like they have freedom to choose what they want to do. We're excited to partner with National School Choice Week to provide this amazing opportunity to families. We want to celebrate school choice. We want to connect with educators and have families connect with you. It is awesome. We have lots of choices here in Florida. Please head to our website, microschoolflorida.com, to learn more about this event. Thanks.